Hi everyone, it's Dr. V, and if you are watching this video, that means you have made it to the end. Yay! Celebrate, congratulations, that is awesome. You took the time to, one, invest in yourself, invest in your time, and to take whatever you want to do to the next level, whether that's life or career. And I am so excited for you. I am so happy for you, and I am celebrating with you. You should be amazed at the progress that you have made in your mindset alone. And trust and believe, no matter if you want to move into business, another level of your career, deeper in relationships, whatever the case may be in those 9 environments, it all starts in your mind. It doesn't matter how many degrees you have, how smart you are. If you don't have any degrees, none of that matters, because successful people, um, no matter what level of success, they reach those levels because of their mindset. And you have taken the first steps to shifting your mindset and minding your mindset. And I am so happy for you. Somewhere in the modules down below, you will see two things. You'll see an intake form that I want you to complete because I want to know about your experience throughout these last 6 weeks. Some of you may have commented in the Facebook group and all of that, but I want you to formally put what you need to put, your thoughts about the course and really about your shifts. I'm more interested in your results that you've obtained, something that opened up your mind, your aha moments. Put those on the intake form. And then if you liked this experience, if this was something that you're like, okay, I can see why I need mindset, and then you want to do something else. So, you know, my background, I do life and career. The whole vibe is helping women leaders and high achieving women vibrate higher in their influence, brilliance, and excellence as they bridge the gap between life and career. And I do that during several different things and different strategies to help fix your life. Not so much like life coaching, but different strategies, because I really do believe however you fix your personal life can like skyrocket you in your professional life. And I have different areas for that. So if you are interested in knowing like your next steps, because it's my job to offer and it's your job to choose. I don't want you to go on this journey and think, okay, that's it and there's nothing else. That's not true. You always should be thinking about your next steps. And your next steps don't have to be with me. And I'm perfectly fine with that. I'm just grateful that you allowed me to take this first step with you. If you would like to continue with me, schedule a breakthrough call. That information will be down below. And then we can talk. The breakthrough call is free. We'll talk for about, is it 30, maybe 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, and just to see where you are, and then give you some suggestions on where you should go, whether you continue with me or you continue with someone else. Again, this is no pressure, but just as a strategist, a coach, and all of that, I don't want you to be on this high of, oh my gosh, my mind is wide open. I have so many new possibilities I didn't think were possible. I don't want to leave you in that space because I know what that feels like. You get all excited and inspired and motivated, and then you're like, well, what else can I do? So I at least want to offer and extend the invitation to book that session with me. Like, do that like right now. Like, after you finish watching this, go find the link, click it, and schedule it so we can have a chance to talk. If something happens with the schedule, you know where I am on social media. So make sure you find me because I really do want to talk with you. So make sure you do that. I look forward to hearing from you. And I am super excited that you took this time to trust me to help you along with your mindset, whether it was an introduction to mindset or whether you just needed some maintenance work and to realize that you are on the right path. All right. So I'm excited for you. Yeah, I am. I'm just really excited, and I am grateful that you took this step. I am Dr. V, and thank you so much for listening and learning with me on this journey. And I will see you next time. Bye.